Okay, if you ever lost an app on the Fire Stick, you know it can be very frustrating having to click all around trying to find it. And if it's not in your recently used apps section, you're SOL. Well, here's the easy way to find all the apps installed on your Fire Stick. All you have to do is from the home screen, right next to the gear icon on the right there, you'll see the apps icon. Click on it, and there you go. These are all the apps installed on your Fire Stick. And here is a cool little trick. What you can do is do a long press. Just hold down the select button for about a second or two, and then you'll be able to drag your icons around like this. And here's what you do. Bring them up to the top here. Those top 6 icons will be displayed on your home screen. So by putting that icon there and then hitting the home screen, voila, you can see there it is, those 6 little icons right there in the center. And that's how you do it.